Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be creating this easy peasy New Year's Eve makeup look. This soft glam makeup look is so apt for so many occasions and it's so easy to recreate, and also I'll be using some new makeup products that I got recently. So yes, if you are interested then please keep on watching. First, I'm using this Suganda 10% Niacinamide serum. I have recently discovered this, and this is especially for acne scars and blemishes. This has panthenol, Centella asiatica, that also known as go-to cola, and 10% of niacinamide. This comes in a dark glass jar bottle with a dropper packaging. This is a concentrated serum with lightweight, hydrating and fast absorbing formula. It provides even skin tone and helps in refining your pore appearance. It improves skin texture and works on fine lines and acne. This is fragrance free and mostly suitable for all skin type. This doesn't contain any essential oil, and also this brand is cruelty free. Next, for my moisturizer, I'm using this Suganda Rosehip moisturizer. This has 3% of niacinamide, also rosehip oil, green tea and hyaluronic acid. This comes in a same sort of dark glass jar packaging, but it comes with a pump that makes it really convenient to use. This is a very lightweight formula that hydrates, nourishes and soothes your skin. This helps in reducing acne, fine lines, wrinkles and pigmentation. This gets absorbed really well into the skin, and this is best suitable for combination skin. I have sensitive, oily, acne prone skin, but I have been using these two products so much, so I thought of sharing this with you as well. This is a fragrance free product, and also this is cruelty free and free from any essential oil. Now I'm just gonna let it sit on my skin for a minute or two, and then I will move on to the makeup. I recently got this Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer, and this is a silicone based primer that just makes your skin feel very silky smooth, and also it covers your pores. So if you have oily skin, you're gonna love this. As I'm not going with any foundation today, so I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. It covers all of your imperfections, looks really nice on the skin, and also this is waterproof, so if you sweat a lot, this is really good for you. You guys have seen me using this a lot because this is my favorite concealer, and especially when it comes to special occasions, I absolutely love using it. Then to set everything on place, I'm using this K-Beauty setting powder, and this is such a lightweight formula, so finely milled, doesn't feel dry on the skin, and it's so weightless and long wearing. I just love it. And as you can see here, it just makes your skin look poreless and airbrushed. So good. For my brows today, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector, and oh my god, hear me out. After my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, I absolutely loved this one. It comes with a very thin, fine tip that just makes your application so easy. It comes with two different shades, charcoal and coffee, and both of them are Indian skin friendly. So if you're looking for a good brow pencil, just go for it. Then I got this e.l.f. Cosmetics Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This is just a normal clear brow mascara that holds your brow hairs in place. Then I got this new e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. Now you guys know that I don't use a lot of eyeshadow primers, but the formula has something that I really liked, and it doesn't feel too sticky or patchy on the eyelid, and it does the job pretty well. So yes, I liked it. for my eyes today, I'm using this e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in the shade Pumpkin Pie. First, taking this brown shade and applying it all over my crease. I'm just gonna use this particular eyeshadow just to define my crease a little bit. You must have seen me using this a lot in my videos. These e.l.f. Bite Size palettes are so good. They are so pigmented, very affordable but so good quality. Then I got this new liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade 24K Gold. This is very beautiful and sparkly, of course, but the gel-based formula is something I really liked. This looks so beautiful on the eyes, and especially if you are from a deeper skin tone family, this is gonna look bomb on you. So first I'm applying it with the applicator it comes with, and then I'm dabbing my finger on my eyelid, and you guys can see how beautiful it looks on the eyelid. I just loved it. Highly recommend this one. Now this is an optional step. I just want this gold to pop a little more, so I'm adding a second layer on top. I recently got this e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo, and oh my god, I am obsessed with it. It comes with a blush and a highlighter, and both of them are amazing. So first I'm taking the blush shade and applying it on the crease just to blend out the eyeshadow properly so that it looks nice and neat. And then taking the same shade and applying it as my blush. Now taking the highlighter shade from this duo, and with the help of a fan brush applying on the highest points of my face. Although this highlighter comes with very small shimmer chunks, but this looks so beautiful on the skin. It just makes your skin look wet. It just looks stunning on the skin. Then to finish off my eyes, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And today I have this Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara, and I'm just gonna add 2 coats of it. And this is how my makeup looks like. I'm quite happy the way my makeup has turned out today. Now let's move on to the lips, and I have this new e.l.f. Day to Night lipstick duo. It comes with 2 beautiful red shades, one for the day and one for the night. I'm gonna go with the lighter red today. Although these are not matte lipsticks, they are more of satiny creamy lipsticks, but the formula of these lipsticks are so good. They glide effortlessly and they are so smooth. And this is how it looks on the lips. Perfect for New Year, right? So yeah, that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Wish you all a very happy new year, and that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.